Okay, hi, welcome to my second session to learn HTML in our first session. In this video, I'm going to cover how to create paragraphs and headings in HTML. I hope uh, you will learn the grounds to create headings and paragraphs in HTML. Okay, let me show you. Okay, now I also created a folder called website. It has a HTML document which is called hello world.html. This file is contains some little bit of HTML structures. So if I want to create new document, you know how to create it. But if you want to modify the um, existing HTML document, you want to click on the document and right click and open it and choose your favorite text editor. I am allowed to use the Sublime Text. It's a wonderful text editor to create to do programming. Okay, it's a premium text editor. You can buy it on sublimetext.com, or it will support for Windows, Macintosh, and Linux. Okay, if you want to create a paragraph, you can create it with a simple tag called p tag. This tag is a short form for paragraphs. You can just put it into the angle brackets, and it has another tag which is a closing tag for paragraph. The Sublime Text Editor is auto-closed the tag when I was tap the backslash. It's very handy feature on the advanced IDEs. So please practice on the normal text editor. When you grow up, when you learn a lot of things, you must use a professional IDE to create the production very quickly. Okay, now creating a paragraph. This is a paragraph created by MS Rikas. Okay, I just created my paragraph. If I want to preview it, I just double click to open it on my favorite web browser and default web browser. I love to use the Chrome. It's a very handy um, web browser. So the paragraph is now showing. It's a proper way to add some strings on the HTML document. Previously, I just typed some strings directly between the body tag, but that's not a recommended way to create a strings on the HTML document. So if I can create a lot of paragraphs in the same HTML document, and I'm going to create a lot of paragraphs right now. This is another paragraph describe a simple paragraph. You can type any text. If you want to, this is space. If you want to put a lot of space between a two string, I just type some spaces between space and end, and if I closed it and refresh it on my HTML document, it just took one space. So HTML is a language that is only get one space between the strings. It just skip other spaces between the HTML document. Okay. Um. Uh, it doesn't need it to me. So if I want to create a bigger strings and it it's it, I'm just creating an HTML paragraph. I just type it one paragraph, and if I copy it and paste to create another paragraph, you can create uh, any number of paragraphs. And if I refresh it, it's showing like this. Okay. Now if I want to break here, if I want to make a break right here, the trick to break some text in an paragraph tag or the heading tag, any tag, if you want to break some text, just put a tag called br, break, the short form for break. You can just use break, and also you can use the break backslash. It doesn't have a closing tag, it's just a single tag. It doesn't have a closing tag. So the recommended way to create the br tag is create it with a backslash. Just refresh it. Yes, it's breaked. If I want more line of breaks, you just put more br tags. If I want two break lines, I just put two br tags. Yes, it's putting two lines. Oops. Okay, if I want to break here, sorry, it's another the atom IDE is a free IDE to create programmings. It's another my favorite text editor. You can get it in on the GitHub. Okay, I'm just putting another tag, yeah, tag right here. If I refreshed it, it's working. Let me show you another tag, which is a heading tag. If you're going to create an article on the HTML document, you just have images, you just have paragraphs, and you just have headings, etc. So I will show you how to insert the images on the HTML document on later sessions. In this session, I'm just going to show you. I'm just show you how to create paragraphs and how to break paragraphs, and how to insert a heading on the HTML document. You can create any number of headings. Okay, let me show you. The heading tag, it has 6 type of heading tags is available on the HTML. There are H1 to H6, H1 to H6, H1. Let me show you how all HTML headings are looks in the browser. Okay, let me create a H1 tag. This is heading. H2. This is H2 heading. Let's put any strings between the two tags, which is a opening tag and closing tag. Okay, let me create another tag, H3. This is H3 heading, and I'm creating another tag, H4 tag. This is H4 heading, H5. This is H5 heading, H6. Sorry, H6 This is H6 heading. There are no more heading tags or H7 or H8. If you put it, it just look like a simple text, not to look like a heading. So I saved it and refresh it. Yes, H1 tag, H2 tag, H3 tag, H4 tag, H5 tag, H6 tag. It has different sizes on the HTML document. I will talk more advanced things about headings when we create projects websites on later sessions. So until next time, practice everything that I always teach you. Also teach you. So until next time, happy coding.